Hey there, every great dream begins with a dreamer. Do you have an idea? Ask me how to convert into a concept. We conduct client concept workshop where we discuss idea in detail. We break down requirements and user stories and acceptance criteria. We draft flow diagram to join all the dots and to confirm the user journey. We break down requirements and must have, should have, and nice to have so that you can plan your budget accordingly. You will get our wireframes as a deliverable of the workshops. You will get a prototype before investing millions of dollars on your concept. Book now to convert your idea into prototype. Connect with Ajath, who always join Advanced Technology Hub.